Sometimes it's not wise to be the first guy out of the gate. What I mean by that is sometimes there's developing areas of the law that change. Things that once were illegal become legal. Sometimes it's an extreme advantage to be the first guy out of the gate, and then other times it has grave consequences. You might not be the first person that wants to get busted with marijuana whenever a state passes a medical marijuana law, because you don't know how it's going to apply and you don't want to be right on the line of what's legal and not legal. Sometimes it makes sense to let somebody else take the risk and then follow in their stead once it's sorted out. This applies also in your personal life. Risks can be good, but then unnecessary risks with unknown or dramatic outcomes can be risks that aren't worth taking. Before you jump into the fray on some new developing area in your profession, you need to be calculated and see what are the consequences that might happen if you're wrong.